I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start in Chrome with the extension installed. Open the menu, choose More Tools and then Extensions so you can control permissions. Once there, find the specific extension and click Details to view its options. Make sure to toggle Allow in Incognito. That grants the extension access when you open private windows. Do this now so the extension appears in Incognito sessions. It does not run automatically without this permission, because Incognito limits extensions for privacy. Once enabled, open a new Incognito window to test how the extension behaves privately. You should see the extension icon or access its menu. If not, return to Extensions Details to confirm the toggle stayed on. Make sure to check the extension's individual settings because some features may be disabled in Incognito by default for privacy. Adjust configuration to restore desired behavior. If the extension stores data, understand that Incognito may limit storage or syncing. To finish, close all Chrome windows and restart the browser so permission changes fully apply. This often resolves lingering issues. If the extension still won't work in Incognito, revisit its details page and verify site access and other permissions, because blocked access prevents operation. As a last step, disable other extensions that might conflict or remove and reinstall the extension to clear corruption. If problems persist, check for updates. Outdated extensions can fail under newer Chrome versions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.